Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power and connection. This rules out simple hardware faults. Check the laptop battery, AC adapter, and press the power button. Make sure lights show. If using an external keyboard, test a different USB port or repair Bluetooth. Cables and ports often fail. Then restart and press the BIOS key to see if the keyboard works before Windows loads. Once done, you know whether the fault is hardware level or limited to the operating system. Now you focus on the operating system and drivers, which are common causes. Open Device Manager, uninstall the keyboard device, then restart to force Windows to reinstall drivers. Roll back if a recent update broke it. Run the built-in keyboard troubleshooter and confirm ease of access options. Filter keys can block input. Also check for recent Windows updates or security software that change drivers. Scan for malware. If driver's reinstallation fails, for persistent failure, you move to physical repair steps. Power off, remove battery if possible, then open the access panel and carefully reseat the keyboard ribbon cable. Clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and ensure the latch is secure. Try a known good external keyboard to confirm whether the laptop controller is functional. Once done, if the keyboard still fails, contact HP support or an authorized repair center for keyboard replacement. They can diagnose faulty controller boards. Quick tip: if keys work intermittently, ribbon reseating usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.